I don't know if you know this about me or not, but I do go to the gym 6 days a week now. It's my new thing. Every other day I do aerobics, and on the every other day, so 3 days a week I do aerobics, 3 days a week I do strength training. And in both aerobics and in strength training, I do interval training, which is like a burst of energy or a burst of strength or a burst of really trying extra hard. And then you drop back down to the regular thing, which seems so easy after you've done that hard burst. And I thought, that's exactly what we're doing in our homes if we really apply ourselves, and that is interval cleaning. So the regular work would be our routines, and they look like this. And then an interval would be like 15 minutes in your zone, and that looks like that, really hard. And then we drop back to routines, okay? So that's an interval, and it'll make the routine seem easier if you're giving it your all for 15 minutes. Or if you're a payroll homemaker, you're doing your routines all throughout the week, and then on Saturday you do some more routines, and then you get up and you do 1 hour of the zone, 1 full hour. Then you drop back down to some more routines, and then you might do 1 hour of the basic weekly plan, the weekly home blessing hour. So that's a concerted effort of where we work really hard for a short period of time, and we have the capability of doing it. It's not hard work. It's that the hard part is that we're concentrating our effort into this little period of time, and we're focused on getting it done. So interval training for you would look like this. If you're an at-home homemaker, you get up in the morning, you do your morning routine. It's nice and easy, including swishing and swiping, emptying the dishwasher, making coffee, the whole thing, making the bed. And then maybe our babies get up and we put them through their little morning routine. So we're still just chugging away on our regular routines. Maybe we start a load of laundry. Maybe we go through an inch of paper. I hope that you do. And then we say, okay, time for the 15 minutes in the kitchen, for example. I'm going to clean out the cupboard underneath the sink. Now that is not hard, like lifting more weight or, running extra hard, but it's a focus thing that we're doing. Focusing on under the sink for 15 minutes, setting the clock, no exceptions, nobody bug me, this is what I'm doing, okay? I know you have children, you have to give them a little bit of your attention, but your children at some point, 3 and older, can understand that mommy needs to do this work for just a couple of minutes and they need to sit and play and leave mommy alone, okay? So we're gonna focus our energy and we're gonna get that 15 minutes done underneath that sink. And when the timer goes off, we're gonna drop back down to routines or things that are simple, like completing the process. So when you're doing a routine and then you do your zone, when the zone is over, you complete the process, which again is a little flow. It's put these things in the garbage can outside. It's give these things away to my sister who said she wants them. It's put these other things back under the sink or back in some other place in the house that they belong. That's back to this little flow that we do. And so we're gonna flow along. We're gonna do a clutter check. I know that we think clutter checks are so hard that they cause us anxiety. They actually keep us from having anxiety. Don't get confused. Clutter checks keep you from having clutter on top of clutter on top of clutter, and now you've got to declutter. A clutter check is simply making your children put their things away and you put your things away. That's it. It's just putting things away for a few minutes, 3 times a day. And if you have to do toy checks because you have little ones, it's just another minute or 2 doing that. But that is all just routine things that we do every day. And then later, maybe in the afternoon, maybe you've had lunch, you've just been flowing along, and now it's time to do, let's say it's Monday, we have to do our weekly home blessing hour. We might have help, we might not. Our babies may all be taking a nap, it doesn't matter. We're gonna get into this 1 hour, which is not hard in itself. It's just that you have to focus for 1 hour. You have to get your things prepared. You have to be ready for this. You've got your mop, you've got your vacuum, you've got your dust cloth, you've got your not your dust cloth, your microfiber cloth, you've got your dust feather duster, you've got everything you need to get this done. Garbage can liners, and you go through the things, ticking them off, 10 minutes at a time. Boom, 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 6 of them. And then when you're done, you're dropping back to the flow and you're just completing the process, emptying the vacuum cleaner, or putting in a new bag if you have that kind, putting it away, wrapping the cord, putting the mop away, taking the mop head and putting it in the laundry, taking your microfiber cloth, putting it in the laundry, shaking your feather duster outside, putting it where it goes in your home, completing the process, just lining the garbage cans if you didn't get a chance to do that. Hopefully you did. Anyway, you're back to this. This is this easy thing. Next thing you're going to do is prepare your meal for dinner. You're going to clean up after dinner. These are all routines, so you don't have any more intervals. That's it. So you're going to have 2 intervals a day. One is the 15 minutes for your zone. 4 days a week, you're going to be doing something that's really physical in your home. 4 days a week, you're going to be doing your zone for 15 minutes, or once a week on Saturday if you're a payroll homemaker. Your exercise in your home looks a little different. So you do routines 1 hour, more routines 1 hour. That other hour is your weekly home blessing hour, unless you choose to split it up throughout the week and have little teeny intervals. You can do that. Okay, but in general, you're going to have 2 intervals a day for the at-home homemakers, and that's 4 days a week. And then you're going to have on the basic weekly plan, you've got weekly home blessing hour, you've got free day, so that's an off day. You've got planning and desk day, that's a focus thing. You've got, and it's not physical, it's mental. So you did a physical exercise, now you're doing a mental exercise. Then you've got errand day, that's physical, where you go pick up your things and make sure you route out your, plan out your route so you know where to go and that you're not wasting time. And then you've got your car and purse day, that's a little teeny interval. And then the rest of the week is family fun day and renew your spirit. So 3 days of the week on both the zone and on the the basic weekly plan, you don't have any physical activity or even mental activity really to speak of. Okay, so you've got 4 active things that you're doing on both. Or if you're a payroll homemaker, you're doing those 2 on Saturday, and then you might have to plug in those little things like Sunday afternoon, planning and desk day, car and purse day maybe on your lunch hour. So you're getting a little cleaning interval in. All right, so from now on, I want you to think of it like exercising, that you're doing something generally easy, and then you're going to do boom, this one hard thing, or boom, 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 these 10 little steps in your plan or whatever it is, and then you're back to the generally easy. And it will make you stronger mentally and emotionally and even physically, and it will make your other things seem even easier. So I challenge you to think about your interval cleaning for this week and promise yourself that you'll do it. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you always remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.